Okay, so working with gradients can be very, very interesting, especially when you have the right kind of gradients to use for your flyer, for your design, for your compositions, and even for your text effects. But inside here, inside of Affinity Studio, navigating through the vector, pixel, and the layout, you don't have standard gradients to use for your compositions. All you just have here is just two colors, and let me draw out a rectangle like this. You just have two colors, maybe from this to this. You don't really have those gradients to use, and most times you end up creating gradients yourself by using colors and of course adding colors like this, and this can take a whole lot of time trying to create gradients. But what if I tell you there's an option for you? So now we're going to head on to this website. Now the name of this website is, I'm going to go over to my browser and I will drop the link to this website in the description of this video. Now this website is ResourceBoy. Thumbs up to him, resourceboy.com. And as you can see, all these are gradients, but there is a problem. It's Photoshop gradients, right? But it's not a problem that much. So what you need to do is select any of these gradients that you want. One I'll be interested in is this green gradients. So I'm just going to select, you can see 200 green gradients. Click on it first and it's going to open up like this, and you have to scroll down and click on free download like this, and it's going to take you to the download page, and instantly your download has completed, as you can see. So what you need to do is go over to your downloads, and you can see it's a zip file, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to unzip this. I'm going to use 7-zip. I'm going to extract this just like this to be a standalone folder like this. You can see if I click inside, this is what I have. Now, as you can see, it's a gradient file, but it's a Photoshop gradient file. Now, there is a website that can actually help us convert this to Affinity gradients, right? So when you come over to this website, I'll drop the link of this website in the description of this video. So click on, it says convert Adobe gradient file. So it converts the Adobe file to Affinity file. So click on it like this, and you have to go and select where you have the file. So as you can see, this is my file that I extracted, and this is its ResourceBoy green gradients. So click on it and click open like this, and of course you can see it has sorted it out. These are all the gradients. So click on download Affinity palettes. It's now a palette, so you can click on download like this, and it has downloaded it. Now let's go ahead to add it to our Affinity design, right? So what you want to do now is make sure, if you are in your pixel or in your vector, make sure you go over to your swatches. Now by default, most times you might not see this might be hidden like this. Now to activate the swatches, what you need to do is go over to Windows, go over to General, and under General you're going to find swatches here. So you can either bring this here and dock it to wherever you want to. For me, I'm just going to leave it here, right? Now if you're using a Mac, it might be different for you. When you see this sign, this is what, as a window user, click on this. For Mac users, you're going to see something like a hamburger. That's 3 lines. Click on it and select import palette and click on as application palette. Now click on it and it's going to take you to where you have it. Now this is the file, ResourceBoy green gradients. You can see it's going to take on the Affinity file logo, right? So click on it and click on open. Immediately you are going to see your gradients here. So you can then select any gradient of your choice based on this, and I can have variations of this, right? I can have a different green concept, and of course this saves you tons of time trying to create these gradients, and of course trying to manipulate them to get the best out of what you want to do for yourself. Now if this tip has been helpful to you, kindly hit the thumbs up button, and if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe so that you don't miss all of these tips that I'll be dropping on this channel. Till I come your way, I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.
With over 1,000 premium fonts, over 100 high-quality PSD flyer templates, over 700 icons, over 3,000 premium stock photos, 3,000 plus high-resolution backgrounds, 1,000 plus 3D and PNG assets, editable PSD templates, and lots more. If you're a creative designer, UI, UX, or web designer, the Smart Designer's graphics assets will make your life much more easier.